How to add and edit filters in category page in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add and edit category page in Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one, you can click on it. And then you will be in that website dashboard. It's loading. And then now you can navigate to the edit site here. This one you can click on it. After that you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor here. Now you can navigate to category page. You can click home here and then you can choose category page here. Click on it and then it will brings you to the category page. It's loading. Now this is my category page. So we're gonna edit these features. So there is filter and sort. So you can just right click and then select a layer and then choose category page. After that you can click settings and the pop-up page will appear. You can just move it like this maybe, and this one. And now you can go to filters. So as you can see in the filters, there is 4 filters. There's category, price, and product options, and custom filter. So I'm gonna delete it. And now we're gonna add new filter here. You can click create custom filter. Now as you can see, you can select the categories. So first let's pick the name, maybe best products, just like that. And then we're gonna choose maybe bestsellers. So we're gonna check the bestsellers um, option here, and I think it's good. You can click back, and then it's added best products filter. So as you can see, this is the best product filter. So let's preview it. Click preview here, and then let's see. This is the best product filter, and it will filter all of the bestseller products of your website. So let's edit again. We're gonna maybe modify the filter or the sort option. Select a layer again, choose category page, click settings. We're gonna move it maybe here. And then you can see there is the filters. So maybe you want to add more filter here, you can add more. We're gonna click sorting. So basically these are the all the sorting options. So you can add recommended, newest, price, low to high and high to low, and from name. If you want to delete this one, you can uncheck it and it will disappear from the sorting option. So I'm gonna add it. So I think for the sorting option it's good. Now you can go to design if you want to design the page or the category in the page. And now you can go to design here. If you want to change or customize the design, you can click category menu and filters, and you can add a background opacity and color if you want. You can add custom menu title here. It's up to you. So basically you can explore more here. There is the text, so you can also change the category menu title and filters titles and others here. Even the stock or the card name, it's up to you. You can explore more here. You can change the layout also here. You can choose the category menu here and change the layout. So like this maybe, it's up to you. So I think that's it, how to add and edit filters in category page in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.